Here's something really cool that could change the way you clean your fruits and vegetables at home. Researchers at Cornell University have come up with a clever method that uses tiny bubbles and low-frequency sound to do the cleaning for you. No scrubbing or chemicals needed. The idea is surprisingly simple. It starts with a regular water bath, where a device creates lots of tiny air bubbles around the fruits or veggies. Then, an underwater speaker plays a low, steady sound. When that sound is tuned just right, it matches the size of the bubbles, and that's when the magic happens. The bubbles begin to vibrate in a kind of rhythm, moving across the surface and gently pulling off dirt and residue. Instead of scrubbing or using cleaning agents, these vibrating bubbles create enough force to lift away impurities. It's almost like the bubbles are doing all the hard work for you, reaching into tiny crevices that would normally be difficult to clean. To test how well this works, the researchers ran experiments using glass slides coated with a material designed to mimic real dirt on produce. When they used the vibrating bubbles, the surfaces ended up about 90% cleaner compared to using bubbles alone or sound at the wrong frequency. They even captured the process with high-speed cameras, showing individual bubbles sticking to particles for a split second before pulling them away. The project was led by Sunny Jung, with key contributions from his student Yanni Lin, who helped refine the setup and led the study. What makes this especially interesting is how gentle and chemical-free the whole process is. That means it could be perfect for delicate fruits and vegetables that bruise easily. And it's not just limited to food. This technique could also be used to clean things like medical equipment or electronics, where you need a spotless result without damaging sensitive surfaces. The best part is that this isn't some far-off futuristic idea. It could potentially be scaled up for farms, or even adapted into something you could use right in your kitchen sink. And in a fun twist, the researchers even joked that you might get a similar effect by playing low-frequency sounds in a jacuzzi. So next time you're rinsing your fruits, just think about it. There might soon be a smarter, easier way to get them perfectly clean without lifting a finger.